In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Vercel Toolbar. This can be a helpful adjustment if you want a cleaner look without the toolbar distractions during your production and preview phases. Let's get started. First things first, log into your Vercel dashboard. This is your main hub for managing projects deployed on Vercel. You'll see a list of all your projects, so take a moment to locate and select the particular project you wish to adjust. Clicking on the project name will take you directly to its detailed view, where you can access a variety of options and configurations for that specific deployment. Once you've entered your project's detailed view, direct your attention to the Settings tab. It's usually located in the upper section of your project's interface, among other navigational options. This Settings tab serves as a centralized location for configuring both general and advanced aspects of your project, thus crucial for our customization needs today. Inside the Settings tab, you'll want to scroll down gently until you find the General section. This section encompasses various basic configurations for your project, including the one we are focused on today: controlling the Vercel Toolbar. The toolbar itself is a convenient tool designed by Vercel, showing up during deployment stages and providing quick access to options like instant rollback, among others. However, sometimes you might prefer to have it hidden to maintain a minimalistic view. In the General section, locate the Vercel Toolbar setting. Here, you'll see options for different environments, namely preview and production environments. This separation is important because it allows you to tailor the toolbar's visibility based on your development needs or preferences, whether you're in a testing stage or the live version. To disable the Vercel toolbar, you'll want to proceed by selecting Off from the drop-down menu under each environment, Preview and Production. By doing so, you're specifying that the toolbar will not appear during these stages of your project, helping keep your interface streamlined and distraction-free. One essential thing to keep in mind here is if the project is set to default, it inherits the team-level settings. This means any settings applied at a broader team level might affect your project unless explicitly overridden here. So consider checking your team settings too if you notice the toolbar doesn't disappear as anticipated after you've configured these individual project settings. And there you have it, a clean and more focused workspace on Vercel without the toolbar interrupting your flow. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or look through more resources provided by Vercel. Until next time, happy deploying!